The Bible Outline tool in the Browse window header contains outlines of the entire Bible. It can be used as a navigation tool to move to a particular section of the Bible. Just click on this drop-down arrow and choose the section of the Bible that you wish to navigate to. We're at the beginning of Genesis, and if I wish to move to the call of Abraham, I can choose that particular topic here. The freestanding button to the right of the Bible outline allows you to choose alternative outlines. You can switch to an outline from another Bible version, or choose the parashot readings from the Pentateuch. By default, the Bible outline uses the RSV outline. The titles and verse ranges in the Bible outlines are customizable, and you can create your own. To do so, click on the button to the right of the outline heading, select the option Configure, then in the window that opens, choose Edit, and you can make changes to the existing file much as you would any document. Notice that each section of the outline begins with the book name, chapter, and verse. When you're done making your changes, save the file with a new name, and then click on the Compile button to compile your own outline. For additional help, see the help file on the Bible outline. You can also export the whole or a portion of the Bible outline. This can be the first step to build more detailed outlines in your study of a book or passage. I'm going to first display the BibleWorks editor by clicking on Editor in the Analysis window so I have something to paste into. Then to export the outline, go to Resources, select Miscellaneous, and then choose Bible Outline. In the Bible Outline tool menu, click Export. Enter the verse range of the book or section you are studying. For example, to export an outline of the Sermon on the Mount, I'll highlight the existing verse range there, and I'll enter MAT, the book name for Matthew, a space, then 5 for chapter 5, a hyphen, and then 7. So we have the verse range of Matthew chapters 5 through 7. Then click Export. The outline range has now been exported to the clipboard. Click OK. And then click in the editor or in your document where you wish to paste the exported outline and execute a paste command. I'll do so by right-clicking and choosing Paste. We see here that that portion of the outline has been exported. Once you paste the outline in the editor, you can reword or expand the outline entries as you need.